Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Edukarthik, and in today's video we are going to start with exercise 7.3. So our exercise 7.2 is totally completed and there were total 8 questions, but in this exercise there are only 5 questions, but they are a little bit longer and confusing. So no need to fear, I'll tell you all of these questions. So this is our first question, and there is a triangle in which there is one more triangle. So this is ABC is a big isosceles triangle, and inside it there is a small isosceles triangle which is ADC. Means these two sides and these two sides are equal. Okay, now we have to firstly prove ABD triangle is congruent to ACD. ABD means this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So firstly, you just observe what can you see common. So this side is equal to this side, this equal to this, and last this side is common. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, okay, AB equals to AC and BD equals to BC. And now in here you will write given. So these are given. Now we will see this one. AD equals to AD. And here we will write what? Common side. As it is common in both of the triangles. So now means therefore by SSS congruency rule, this triangle means ABD congruent to ACD. So ABD congruent to ACD. And now we write by CPCT. We'll use CPCT over here. So we'll prove that angle DAC equals to angle BAD. Means angle DAC equal to angle DAB, and also we will write angle BDA equals to angle CDA. Equal to angle CDA. Okay. Now I'll use the different marker. Now here, okay, this is the answer of first one. Now second one we'll solve. So firstly we have proved that this angle equal to this angle. These two sides equal, these two angles equal, and at last this side equal. So we have to prove these two triangles congruent, ABP and ACP. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, okay, not ACP Pradyuman, this is the triangle name. So let's see. So firstly AB equals to AC, and here in bracket given. Now angle DAB equals to angle DAC. Now what you will write in bracket? Proved. proved. And at last we'll write AP equals to AP. Why? It is common. Therefore, by there is a side, then angle, and then side. So SAS by SAS rule of congruency, this is short form CONGR, I have written. This triangle is equal to congruent to this triangle. Triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Okay, this is also proved. Now we have to prove AB bisect angle A and angle D. So firstly we will write angle DAB equals to this we have proved. Now angle BDA equals to angle CDA. Okay, this we have proved. So angle BDA equals to CDA. So what we will write? We can write that 180 minus this angle is equal to 180 minus this angle. Firstly, in CPCT we can write this will require BP equals to CP. Yes. Now let's continue in this one. 180 minus BDA, what it will be? 180 minus this angle, it will be this angle, and 180 minus this angle, it will be this angle. Means it is PDB and PDC. Angle PDB equals to angle PDC. Okay. Therefore AP bisects angle A and D. Bisects angle A and D. Now at last we have to prove that this one. But firstly, you see how is this one proved. See, DAB is equal to DAC, means this angle is equal to this angle, means AP is bisecting this angle in two equal parts. Now angle D, this angle is equal and this angle is also equal, means AP is again bisecting this angle, means that these two angles are being bisected by AP. This was third one. Now at last we have to prove that AP bisects BC. So we'll prove it here. AP bisects BC. So BP equals to BC. Already proved. We have proved this. Therefore, wait, BP plus BC equals to BP equals to PC. So BP plus PC equals to BC, means AP is bisecting BC. Okay. Now we'll come to our last question because this was so long. Friends, in this question, you have to draw figure by yourself. So let's draw it. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Let's draw. So yes, this is an isosceles triangle with AD is altitude. Okay, and now we have to it is shown that its name is A, B, C, in which AB equals to AC and this point is D. Wait, my cap is fallen down. So yes, I have picked up my marker. I have closed its cap. So now let's come. It was saying that AD is altitude, and we always know that altitude creates 90 degree, and altitude creates 90 degree on a triangle. So this is 90 degree. This will also be 90 degree, and we can say here we'll write firstly AB equals to AC, and here since angle opposite to equal sides are equal. We know this thing that equal sides have equal angle, opposite to them means this side has equal to this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles will be equal to each other. So here we'll write in triangle ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and ACD, we can say AB equals to AC, angle B equal to angle C, and at last what will be equal? This angle ADB equals to but wait, A and S, there is no rule. Yes, we can use AAS. Okay, so there can be two properties applied. Either we can say this side and this angle is equal, or we can say that this angle and this side is equal. So I will be using this 90 degree angle. Okay, angle ADB equal to angle ADC. Therefore, which rule will be getting applied? Angle and side means AAS. Of congruency. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Array, very bad handwriting. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, therefore by CPCT we'll use here because we have to prove these two things. AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. So we can say that BD equals to DC. Therefore, here D bisects BC, and also we can say angle BAD equals to angle CAD. These two angles are equal, so we can say AD bisects angle A. Hence proved. So friends, this video is over, and in next video I'll continue with my exercise 7.3, and our 3 questions are still left. So my mic was on, and bye bye, and see you all in the next video.